ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. Hello, my name is Miwa Kaur. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to make vegan miso soup. The recipe is in the description box below, so let's get started. Shiitake mushroom, kombu seaweed, water. Let it sit while preparing vegetables. Scallions, white part goes into soup, green parts for garnishing. Cut tofu into small pieces. Carrot, thinly sliced. Squeeze water out of shiitake mushroom and slice. Shiitake mushroom, carrot, kombu, water, bring it to boil. Remove kombu. Scallions. Tofu. Once vegetables are soft, add spinach. Cover and remove from the heat. Add miso into a ladle. Add broth little by little. Keep stirring. This ensures miso to dissolve completely. Once dissolved, add to the soup. Add rice vinegar. And stir. There we go. The vegan miso soup is ready. It serves 1 large bowl or 2 small cups. To garnish, sprinkle some thinly sliced scallion and sesame seeds. Enjoy the delicious and nutrition-rich vegan miso soup, which goes well with multi-grain brown rice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're going to try this very healthy recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you very soon. Bye! ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ.